Hello, welcome guys. Chicago street photography, day 25. Let's make some photos. Lost a lot of light, but here I am. Got the GXR with the Voigtlander lens. Let's see what can make happen here. It's gonna be fun. It's not as busy as it was during the holidays, but we'll make it work. Okay, there's here are my settings. 1125, ISO 500, 4.0 is the aperture. See what happens. My plan is to head to Union Station, so very loud right now. So you guys are asking how cold is it? It's very cold. I mean, it's actually not too bad right now, so I'm not really too concerned. I'm bundled up, so it's all right. It's going to be a little bit more difficult to get some images going, so I don't know what's going on over there. I saw the ambulance there, but not interested in that. I'm going to walk straight ahead. I'm looking for interesting subjects. I'm looking for nice background. I'm looking for nice colors and just something that stands out, that it's not a normal photo, that's something unique, and that's a very hard thing to do. I'm looking for something very specific. I want it to be sharp, obviously, and I want it to be something that tells a story, so that's also hard to do. So as soon as we get some light here, and I'll tell you more about it. Some interesting scenes. Alright, let's I bumped up my ISO to 1000 and try to do something from far distance here. Okay, now see, check this out. See, a lot of people do these type of shots here. They do it in front of the building, which I think it's a cool thing. But it's also a dangerous thing. But that's kind of what they do, because you see that up there? That's a really nice shot, nice background. So a lot of people are going to do these type of shots where they're going to sit right in the middle and they take the photograph, just like we just saw right now. I'm just going to put the action camera on the Ricoh GXR. We're going to do some POV for you guys. So let's get ready. Perspective from the action camera. Try to make some photographs. ISO 1000. I think I might need to go up. But see, in the highlight situations like this one, like this scene coming up here, it's pretty good. I want to try to get him as he walks by, so I can get him. So that'll be really good. Let's see, walk into my shot. There we walk into my shot. There we go. Okay, nice. I think I like that one. Like them across the street. They're in real good light. Get them pretty good. When you're shooting at night, you wanna find locations or spots that are lit up. They have a very natural light. Like see, like this here. It's really good. Try to get them again. Oh, it's good. All right. So let's see. Yeah, I really hope you guys are enjoying all the point of view that we're doing. I think see like this scene here. Pretty cool. Somebody would like walk in, but we'll see. We'll find out. Let's see. Now we can go low. See, they're kind of. See, if you wait for the light to hit, you see how the light from the window. As soon as they walked in there, they gave me the ability to. Get them, somewhat lit up. Let's see what we can do here. See if we can get this guy right here. And yeah, my hands are freezing. Oh, I should put my gloves on as we walk towards Union Station. Hold on, let me check my audio here real quick. Make sure that it's still going. We're gonna see how it sounds once I get home and I edit this. But it should be good. good scene right there. I should be opening myself, opening my aperture a little bit more, which I'm not, which I should. That'll give me a better image. So that was at 2.0. I'm still at, I'm at ISO 1000 here. But they moved, maybe him, no? So you want to look for like the light, wherever the light is. It's like people are walking. And if you get a good opportunity, see they're working on all that stuff over there. My hand's freezing. Oh, here we go. We're getting closer now. And, yeah, my hands are freezing. See, like, right here will be a nice shot if we can get somebody to walk. But there ain't nobody. There might be somebody coming. See, what I like to do is pre-focus. Pre-focus, maybe open it up. f.2. We do have somebody coming, so I'm going to wait and then try to get the shot as he walks by. Yeah, it'll be kind of interesting, but it's going real fast. There you go. All right, I like that one. That was good. That was good. Perfectly planned, well executed. Just hope that it was sharp. I don't know if it was sharp, but all right. There's Union Station right there. Okay, not bad. I like that last one. That was good. So you guys got to see that as I made it on the spot, and I'm gonna try to walk in there with the action camera rolling. Man, but I don't know. It's gonna be tough, but I'm gonna try. I'll try for a little bit, and then I'll just do a few, and then I'll stop. Okay, that was pretty good. Okay. See what happens, right? Oh boy. Let's see. See, I can drop down my aperture. Kind of forgotten where to go. This is pretty good here. A lot of good light. I like the design on the ground. A little bit. I thought there was going to be, the light would be better in here, but it's not. Open up to 2.0 and then go upstairs. This is pretty nice right here. But it'd be better if somebody were sitting there, or at least like walking by. That'd be nice. Traveler. I'm a traveling man. Traveling man. So you guys like that song I'm singing for you guys? Oh boy. And let's see, what's this? Walk around this way. Exit. Bye-bye. think this is the way out. There we go. This is the way out. Here we go. Okay. So that was fun. Look, and you get this. All right. But yeah, so I never took off the action camera. I left it on the whole time. Could have been better without the. Actually, let me turn around. All right, so that was fun. Never took the action camera off the main camera, so that was cool. Yeah. So now we're just gonna walk and see what else we come upon. But yeah, that was awesome. Very interesting. Okay, so we're done here. Day number 25 is over. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite photograph. Try to get in where there's some light so you can see me a little bit better. I'm using the mic from the E-Action camera right now. I think I got a lot of good shots, and that was fun. Alright guys, give me a thumbs up because I'm freezing. Actually, no, I'm not freezing. It's not that bad. My hands are a little cold, but alright guys, I think we're done. But thanks again for checking this out. Like I said, I appreciate you guys looking at my work. It means a lot to me. I love being out here doing the photography. Alright, we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.